Disclaimer. This training video on effective presentation is for training and information purposes only. The techniques and recommendations presented in this video are based on general best practices and experience. Please note that individual circumstances, such as specific company policies or industry-specific requirements, cannot be addressed in detail. The information contained in the video is not a guarantee of success in presentations and does not replace the need for individual preparation and practice. The content reflects the opinions and experience of the creator and makes no claim to completeness or accuracy in all situations. The creator accepts no liability for any direct or indirect loss, damage or inconvenience that may arise from the application of the content presented in the video. For detailed advice or special requests, please contact us at contact@xprts4xlnc.com. All content shown in this video is protected by copyright. Any reproduction or distribution is only permitted with our written authorization. Welcome to Part 3 of the Effective Presentation Training. In this part we will cover the subject of storytelling. This video tutorial is an extract from our one-day classroom training on the same topic. It is in the nature of online video training that it cannot replace classroom training due to the lack of interaction possibilities. So if you would like more in-depth training, please contact us at contact@xprts4xlnc.com. This training module consists of 8 parts, each lasting between 10 and 30 minutes. At the end of each part, you will have time to reflect and make your own notes on the respective part. We hope you enjoy the training. At the end of the course, you know the methods for creating different forms of presentations in professional situations, both within the company and to customers. You have an overview of the targeted use of presentation media and design elements as well as the preparation and visualization of data. You know about the possibilities of storytelling and how to convey your messages to the audience in an emotionally appealing way. You have an understanding of the effective use of voice, gestures and body language and understand the effect on how others perceive you. Now let's get started with storytelling. Is it all in the head? Why storytelling is a good idea. Simon Sinek created the principle of the Golden Circle. If you haven't seen this video yet, you can watch it on YouTube. The Golden Circle describes how to build successful messages, starting with the why, which is your belief, followed by the how, which is your action, and finally the what, which is the subject of the message. By communicating the why first, you create a deeper connection and inspire people more than by simply communicating facts. The Golden Circle represents a cross-section of the human brain. At the center, the why, is the limbic system. The limbic system has no capacity for language, is the center for emotions, houses the subconscious and therefore the subconscious long-term memory. In the limbic system lives the archivist. Do you recognize this phenomenon? You are surprised to notice a smell or a sound in a place that you would not have expected here. This immediately reminds you of a completely different situation in which you once recognized the smell or sound. The archivist is responsible for this memory service. He anchors a perception in the conscious space with an emotion in the unconscious space and stores both together in the conscious or subconscious long-term memory. The archivist is a model of conflict research, but works just as well with positive impressions. A positive impression. For example, joy, laughter, fun, amusement, aha experience, etc. leads together with surrounding cognitive perceptions in the unconscious space to the anchoring of the perception in the conscious space, for example a presentation, a lecture, etc. in long-term memory. A negative impression. For example pain, grief, fear, etc. leads to a conflict. If you deliver your key message in the conscious space and you link it to positive emotions in the unconscious space, the key message will be anchored in the long-term memory. Positive emotions can be created by a pleasant room setup, friendly welcome, personal greeting, authenticity, Surprising positive gestures. Unexpected positive actions. But above all, support your message with your own experiences. Tell your story. Now lean back and think about your 3 key findings from this block. Write them down. Congratulations for finishing this 3rd module of the course. Reward yourself and then take a short break. We will see you back in Module 4.